Everyone, it's Glenda J. I hope you're having an amazing day today. Today's video, I'll be organizing my refrigerator and implementing some new organization pieces. So I've taken everything out except for the top. I left that there. But I'm taking my new pieces that I bought from time to time. I find some new organization pieces that if I think it makes it more functional or make it a better organization, I get it, I pick it up, and I implement it into my arsenal. So these are the ones I bought. I don't know how many I'll be using or if I'll be using them all. I doubt that I'll be using them all, but at least I have them because these pieces, you can put them just about anywhere in your home. Repurpose. So here's my, done all that. So now I start to put my organization pieces in. Okay, let's see here. These down here. This is all the stuff that I had in my fridge here, all along here. So I'll be putting that back as soon as I get the organization, the bins inside. So, two. These are so cute. And there. Where's my other part to this one? Oh, here it is. Let me see. There. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna go. Let me see. No, I won't be using that one there. Not over there. Be putting water here. Okay. Hold on, get some. Okay guys, here is what, let's finish up with that. Okay, the drawers worked out perfect. Didn't need to use them all. Just this, these. I got one for the, that's gonna be for my grape tomatoes. And got my favorite snack food, applesauce, meat here, did measure, but these bins are perfect. Dressings here, same little deals that I got from a Walmart dollar spot, I think they're $1 and something. And I got these at Walmart as well. I need to go groceries, so I got to get more juices to fill those up. But far as the main attraction here, I'm loving it. Yeah. Okay. This is a perfect little deal I just picked up. Perfect for that. Perfect fit. So finishes that part, and this part I didn't put any dividers or anything. I just sort of went with the flow. Got my gourmet breads, apple fill, peach fill, and I forgot what the other one was. But anyway, I got that. It panned out. I got my little treaties here, my little beverage cups, ribs, and down there I got other meats and a little food prep going down there. And guys, that's about it. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you were inspired to do yours. This is Glenda J.